So welcome back. You didn't expect this video, did you? So I am still at Ravenglass. It is coming towards the end of the day here, so the engines are starting to be put into the sheds for their well-deserved rest. But I have a little surprise. I'm going to go in one of the cabs. I'm not going to drive it, of course, but I'm just going to stand in one of the cabs as we head into the shed with Northern Rock. And we're also going to have a look inside here, where there is a 100-year-old locomotive, which is resting until tomorrow at least. But yeah, stay tuned for this one, and welcome back to the Ravenglass and Eskdale Railway. Enjoying the dots. One
of those things are weird, I know. We're not very good at that round here. But with this thing, it's got so much brass on it, you just can't.
Okay, so we gave you a little glimpse of River Esk, and it's now back under the cover. So it is 100 years old now. It has recently just had its 100th anniversary gala, which was back in May. It also recently spent some time at the Romney Hythe and Dymchurch Railway, and now it is back here. Hasn't been used today, however. It is resting peacefully until tomorrow, as it should for 100 years old. But I have been told it will be out tomorrow. But it's fantastic to be in here to look around. There's like a chalkboard there with all the different locos on. You know, there's some timber there, getting ready for Northern Rock to be put back in here. River Ert as well. So yeah, you can hear it in the background there. But yeah, it's fantastic all the same. But just thought I'd show you some bonus bits really, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Oh, and the coal, by the way, if anyone's curious, is Welsh. Of course, Welsh is best.
Back into the tool barn when the back shed comes to paint it.
Right, I see.
No, we don't normally leave anything in there. You know, you will not cover, don't you? You can video it if you want, but probably. Mind your ears, honestly.
I will keep this. He did warn you to cover your ears.
We got to clean that out at the end of the day, honestly.
So there we go, short and sweet, but I hope you enjoyed a bit of behind the scenes of what happens here towards the end of the day. And I'm very sorry to you whose ears that hurt, but yeah, he did warn you, as like I said. But nonetheless, thank you very much for watching once again. Like I said, short but sweet, and I will see you next time somewhere down the line.